Alright, there's kind of a tight shot of my truck. I put one of the new caps on the rim there. I'm going to paint those metallic black. Still haven't got the lights in because I don't have the box painted. It's in primer still. It's got the spots for the little lights up there. It's like subsequential turn signals or whatever they are. And then the spot for the holes cut out for the what's it called, the tarp. So here I got the front cap on there. I got the frame all done with the Pour 15 protection. I scraped it and painted it all. There's under the box a little bit of rust and stuff. Of course, the new hoist. And there's the box up indicator. Here's where I didn't paint it, but I'm going to paint all the frame with black. There's a new tank. That's a custom light with a little purple dealie in there. This is the passing side, the other side's the suicide. Ouch. It's getting dark out. There's the tag from the dealer still on there. I haven't took off. Got a little chippy out back, it sounds like. So that's about it.